Looking for a reliable tool to sharpen and shape your metalwork? The best 8-inch bench grinder offers power, precision, and durability, making it an essential addition to any workshop or garage for all your grinding needs. Number 1. Wen BG4282. The Wen BG4282 bench grinder stands out as a reliable and versatile tool perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike. Powered by a 4.8 amp motor, it spins its two 8 by 1 inch grinding wheels at speeds reaching up to 3,450 RPM, providing ample power to handle various grinding tasks efficiently. Whether you need to revive old tools, sharpen knives, or sharpen bits, this grinder delivers consistent results with ease. One of its most user-friendly features is the adjustable eye guards equipped with built-in LED lights. These lights illuminate your workpiece clearly, enhancing precision and safety during operation, especially in low-light conditions. The onboard quenching tray is another thoughtful addition, allowing users to cool down heated workpieces during extended grinding sessions, preventing overheating and preserving the temper of the metal. The design strikes a good balance between power and control, making it suitable for various workshop applications. Additionally, the sturdy construction and compact design ensure it fits comfortably on workbenches without taking up too much space. This model's combination of power, lighting, and cooling features make it an excellent choice for both light and moderate grinding jobs, particularly for those who want a dependable grinder without overpaying. Overall, the Wen BG4282 is a highly rated 8-inch bench grinder that caters to users seeking efficiency and reliability for their sharpening and grinding needs. Number 2. Wen BG4280. The Wen BG4280 bench grinder is a versatile and user-friendly option that offers the advantage of variable speed control, setting it apart from many other models in the same category. With a 5 amp motor capable of operating between 2,000 and 3,400 RPM, this grinder gives you the flexibility to adjust the speed according to the task at hand. Lower speeds allow for greater precision when working on delicate or detailed projects, while higher speeds facilitate faster material removal for rough grinding. This makes the Wen BG4280 ideal for a wide range of sharpening and grinding applications, from restoring dull tools to shaping metal parts. The built-in LED lights integrated into the adjustable eye guards significantly improve visibility, ensuring that your workpiece is well lit for better accuracy and safety. Similar to other models, it also features an onboard quenching tray to help cool workpieces during extended use, which prevents damage from overheating. The sturdy build and ergonomic design contribute to a stable grinding experience, reducing vibration and enhancing control. This grinder's variable speed function is particularly beneficial for users who require adaptability and precision in their work, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced craftsmen. The Wen BG4280 combines power, flexibility, and convenience, providing great value for anyone in need of a dependable bench grinder with customizable speed options. Number 3. Jet 8-inch bench grinder. The Jet 8-inch bench grinder is a robust and well-constructed machine designed for serious workshop use. It features a powerful 1 HP motor that delivers ample torque for demanding grinding tasks. This model comes equipped with a 36-grit vitrified aluminum oxide wheel for aggressive grinding and a crimped wire wheel ideal for cleaning and polishing. One of the standout features of the Jet grinder is its durable cast iron wheel guards, which include integrated dust chutes to help keep your workplace cleaner and safer by directing debris away from the operator. The grinder also boasts totally enclosed pre-lubricated ball bearings, which contribute to smooth and quiet operation while enhancing durability. Users will appreciate the one-piece quick-adjusting spark guards and large eye shields with quick adjustment, which provide excellent protection and allow for easy customization based on the task requirements. The adjustable tool rests add to the grinder's versatility by supporting precise control during work. This bench grinder's build quality reflects Jet's reputation for manufacturing durable, professional-grade tools and is UL listed for safety assurance. Whether you are sharpening blades, grinding metal, or performing general workshop maintenance, this bench grinder offers the power, precision, and safety features that make it a dependable choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Number 4. Bucktool 8-inch. The Bucktool 8-inch bench grinder is engineered with the professional craftsman in mind, especially those who work with wood or metal and require precise, low-speed grinding. It features a powerful induction motor rated at 3/4 HP with a peak power of 1 1/4 HP, delivering a low speed of 1750 RPM. This slower speed is ideal for detailed sharpening and shaping without overheating a workpiece, which is particularly useful for carpenters, turners, and carvers. The grinder is equipped with 2 wheels, an extra-wide 1.5-inch WA grinding wheel on the right side and an 8x1x5/8 80-grit wheel on the left side, providing flexibility to handle a variety of tasks. The LED lighting system is bright with individual switches for each light, allowing you to focus illumination exactly where needed for fine detail work. Another notable feature is the angle-adjustable eye shield that includes a 3x magnifying lens, which greatly improves precision by making the workpiece more visible. The cast aluminum tool rest is sturdy and adjustable from 0 to 45 degrees, adding to the grinder's versatility. The solid cast iron base with rubber feet ensures vibration-free operation and keeps the machine firmly in place during use. For added safety, the grinder has a keyed safety switch to prevent unauthorized use. This bench grinder offers a combination of power, precision, and convenience, making it a top choice for woodworking professionals and serious hobbyists who need controlled, accurate grinding. Number 5. WEN BG4286. The WEN BG4286 bench grinder is designed for those who prioritize precision and control in their sharpening and grinding tasks. It is powered by a soft-start 3-amp motor that spins the 2 8x1-inch grinding wheels at a low speed of up to 1750 RPM, which helps reduce heat buildup and prevents damage to delicate workpieces. This slower speed makes it ideal for sharpening old tools, knives, chisels, and bits with minimal risk of overheating or warping. The grinder comes with 2 wheels, a general 60-grit wheel and a fine finish 120-grit wheel, providing versatility to handle both rough and fine sharpening jobs. Included features such as pivoting tool rests allow users to adjust support for their workpieces, increasing comfort and precision during use. The sturdy base has pre-drilled mounting holes for secure installation on any workbench, ensuring stability while operating. Adjustable eye guards improve safety by protecting the user from sparks and debris, and their design allows for clear visibility of the grinding process. The WEN BG4286 is an excellent choice for hobbyists or professionals who need a bench grinder focused on accuracy and gentle material removal, making it especially suited for fine tool maintenance and sharpening tasks. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.